Hi everyone, welcome back to Herion's Kitchen. Today we are going to make the stir-fried beef and vermicelli with the gochujang BBQ sauce. What's gochujang BBQ sauce? You will find out soon. Let's get started. Today's ingredients are minced beef here. You can use a chicken or pork, ginger and garlic, vermicelli, spring onions, and there. The ingredients for gochujang BBQ sauce. Today's special sauce. First, let's boil the vermicelli. You may boil the vermicelli for about 3 minutes. Okay. After 3 minutes, you rinse and drain. Actually, it's a bit long, so I'm going to cut it shorter. So this kitchen scissors, yeah. Just cut a few times, so easier to eat. So vermicelli done, put aside. Next, we are going to prepare garlic and ginger. They're here. Okay. Then you just chop. Here. And next, ginger. Okay, done. So the garlic ginger done. Okay, spring onion done. Let's make the gochujang BBQ sauce. So this is a special sauce for today. So ingredients are here. Let me explain one by one. This one is a barbecue sauce. This one barbecue sauce. This is my barbecue sauce, but you can buy barbecue sauce from grocery shops. You can use any barbecue sauce. And this one, gochujang, yeah, gochujang, yeah. And grated garlic here. Can you see? Grated garlic, cooking sake, and this one vinegar, rice vinegar, red chili pepper powder, and this one is chili oil. So what you need to do is you can just mix all together. So when you make the sauce, right, the liquid, those things are at the end. Yeah. So maybe I put the garlic first, and all is fine, garlic, and then gochujang, and red chili pepper powder, and I put this vinegar. I mix a little bit. Okay, mix. Right, and then add the cooking sake. And then I'm going to add my barbecue sauce here. Then chili oil. Gochujang BBQ sauce is done. Okay, let's finishing up. Turn on the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1, 2. Add the garlic and ginger. Add the minced beef here. I'm gonna add gochujang BBQ sauce. And then lower the heat. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add vermicelli. And cook over low heat. So this vermicelli absorbs the delicious gochujang barbecue sauce and the juice from meat. Okay. I'm gonna add spring onions. Look at this. Look at this. So today we made stir-fried beef and vermicelli with gochujang barbecue sauce. How was it? It's really simple, quick, easy, right? This dish is great for making ahead of time. Make when you have a time. You can keep it in the fridge and then you can heat it up later to enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions and concerns, you can leave the comments and then I will read all comments. I'm going to make more cooking videos to share with you. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 감사합니다. 사랑해요.